In this video, I'm going to show you how to hide your posts on Facebook. So go ahead and open Facebook and go to your menu at the bottom right hand corner. And here you're going to have a bunch of stuff going on here. So what you want to focus on is going to your settings and privacy. And just go ahead and click your settings. So from this point, you want to scroll down until you see your account activity. And you want to go to your activity log. Go ahead and click that. And we're just going to stay in the first part here where it says your Facebook activity. Go ahead and hit the drop down menu and just go to where it says posts and hit manage posts. This might take a hot second to load up here because it's going to go through your entire Facebook through the duration of when you started it. So as you see here, I have a bunch of stuff here, mostly just reels and stuff like that. But any posts that you want to hide, you can scroll through because they're categorized by the date here. And I'm going to choose this one here. So what you want to do to hide a post is just to click the three dots at the far right side of your post. Oh, let's do that again. And you're going to have some options here. And what you just want to do is click hide from profile. What that's going to do is hide it from your profile from everyone that you have it on there. What you can do is go and change your audience to just to make sure that you have it set correctly. But that is how you would go about hiding posts on Facebook, because now you see it because it says hidden from profile. And that's it. That is how you would go about hiding your posts on Facebook. It's quick, it's easy, and it's very, very simple to do. Hope you guys liked the video, and we'll see you next time.